Alright, here we are on AUDUSD. Took a sell attempt in this area. Not too happy about this one, but I'll go over the read. We'll hopefully make this just a quick one. So what I was looking at was overall this is kind of a big trap, as there was some people buying in this area, support resistance buys. Looked like he made higher highs, support resistance buys, and they got trapped. And they've been trapped for a long time. Even there was some, there wasn't really any buys in here. But yeah, definitely I could see that maybe there were some buys from this low area, but looks like there was a good trap in here on a higher time frame, right? We pushed down, making lower lows. We come back, test this area, trap some guys down in here. These guys get trapped. And then we're going up towards this release zone on our hourly. So the hourly, this I think is where I get messed up, was my guy who started. Because if I look at this as this guy pushed up and he kind of held here and then broke up and just kind of grinded his way up through all this and got to this point. So this would almost be a guy who started way down here and he just grinded all the way up to here before a small hold. And then this guy broke above, but came right back in. And we tried to go higher and failed. And I looked at this as like he got taken out. He got almost taken out here, attempted, and then he got taken out. But just barely, like this. If this was my guy, he just barely got taken out. We were kind of messing around in here, and then I saw this last drop down, strong push in this area. So it's something also that I just realized that there was high volume on this push, so that definitely to me seems like, yeah, that would be my guy who started this move somewhere down here. So definitely an area to watch out for all of this because of this high volume. So what I saw was this guy pushed down, and New York is coming up in this area. New York stock exchanges to open. And so what I was looking for down on my precision, here's the precision. So this is where I get lost. This was that last push down that I saw that he finally took out. The guy who started was way over here. So yeah, we are clearly below him on this. If I'd put me a line as the guy who started. Oops. Just to mark it out. We are below him on this. So I was looking for like a reaction from here. Anywhere in these last buy attempts off this range, because this turned also into a range. Last buy attempts, they got taken out. So I was looking for some type of reaction off of this area. So I saw this coming up and starting to turn around during these opening-ish hours. So I went ahead and attempted it. I didn't really have confirmation, and then it just pretty much immediately stopped me out. So yeah, not too happy on this one. I even saw some guys that turned buyers and made profit on this. So when you see that, it really messes with your mind. But it's not about what they can do. It's about what I can do. I need to remember. So this one, I just need to wait for more confirmation. If this guy would have, I thought I had enough. I don't think this push, some of the things I did wrong, I don't think these pushes were really strong enough. Maybe if there was volume here pushing down and the volume was behind me, but I even got volume in front of me. Also, one thing, and I had circled this, but I kind of ignored it, thinking that maybe we could push through it. But what we had potentially did was had high volume, a little range, and we broke above it. So that could have been some clues. But so I'll call that good on this one and move on to the next one.